Milk. Nanguha ka na ng milk. Tagal kasi ni Dada eh.
Okay. No water.
Where's the water? Where's the water?
No water.
Get some water.
Okay.
Okay, wait.
Big girl mo talaga yung love.
No, not that one. The big one, baby. The big one. The green one. Green one. Oh, very good. Good job. Okay, it's enough. Very good.
Big girl na talaga.
Aww. Very good. Kasi si Daddy nag-play. Oy, Daddy, 7, ano lang yan? 5 ons? 7 ons? 7 ons pala. 7 ons pala yan. Nasa ilalim yung mga 5 ons. Sabi niya, Daddy, kasi ang tagal-tagal mo, bagal mo, ako na lang kumuha. Very good. Wow, ang bata siya na kumuha ng dede.
Gutom na talaga siya.
What did you say, Daddy? Yes, what did you say? You forgot? Huh? You forgot to thank you, Daddy? Thank you, Dada.
Okay.